Want to try to get back on the line to Accra, where Nana is standing by to give us his thoughts on the currency. Nana, like I was saying earlier, the Bank of Ghana's Governor Henry Kofi Wampa has also weighed in and suggested that foreign inflows will be crucial in keeping the cedi stable. I do know that the current government is planning a $1 billion Eurobond, and we've seen a lot of foreign investors get invested in the Ghana bond market as well. So your thoughts on this sentiment and what other options are left for the Bank of Ghana?
I think they are in control. And the options that they are exploring are, in fact, the options that are available. The only thing that is left will be for the production capacity of the country to be explored further, where output will be there to support the currency. Unfortunately, because of the power fluctuations that we are going through, it is not helping the system, because the companies are not able to produce to full capacity because of the powers that are being, going on and off. And so once that is put in place, then it will help to stabilize the currency. As of now, there's very little option left other than what the Bank of Ghana is trying to explore. So the power side, which is not helping the equation.
All right. So he's talking about, of course, the supply side in terms of where you can get foreign currency. Foreign inflows, of course, are very crucial there. But what about the demand, managing the spending and how much is actually supplied to the market? In the past, in Nigeria, we have seen the central bank clamp down on what they deemed unnecessary FX spending in the past. So do you think we may see some restrictions coming to the Ghana market as well?
Well, the spending side, what the government is trying to do is to embark on an idea called de-dollarization of the currency. Because presently there are some institutions, businesses that are quoting in dollars, and that doesn't help because it fuels demand. So what they're trying to say is that unless you have got special dispensation, and quite limited number of institutions have this special dispensation, then you have to quote all your prices in the local currency. That, in a way, to reduce the demand. But where they quote in foreign currency, then it increases demand. So that is also being pursued vigorously to ensure that the demand for cedi goes down.
All right, so now all things considered, where do you see this currency move into? It's at 2 right now. We know that they have tried to tighten monetary policy, moving the key rates to 16% recently. We've seen the IFC also come to this market and slow down on a bond issue simply because the rate environment is very high. So that simply reflects the measures that we have seen the Bank of Ghana put in play. But all things considered, where do you see this currency trading at the end of the year?
Well, at the moment, it's very difficult to make any prediction, but we anticipate that the measures that have been put in place will yield the desired results. As you know, with economic forecasting, it's one of the most difficult areas. Even the developed countries have not been able to get it right.
Do you think we could see 210? I know it's always tough to call, but do you think we could see 210 at some point this year? Could it get that bad?
Sorry?
Do you think we'll see 210, 2.1 cedis to the dollar?
Yeah.
You think that's possible?
Yes, that's the prediction that is being given. And unless, as I said, the infrastructure is corrected, then even that can be a minimum while we can go a bit higher than that. So yes, the infrastructure has got to be attended to. Other than that, those predictions can come to pass, and we can even exceed that sort of level. Yeah.
All right.